Brand new pond. Never been here, did not mean to find this. I got a feeling there's some bass here. I like this unique shape. It's like a giant crooked horseshoe. I just pulled up. I have not even walked around to see if I see any fish. I don't see any no fishing signs. I don't see any no trespassing signs. Gators are a given, but I don't see any no gator signs. And I don't have the belt clip today, so I'm not sure how I'm going to record the fishing. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to catch a bass. Throwing the Shimano braided line, regular leader, small top water by Storm. Yep, just caught a bass, about third cast. Go ahead and unhook him. Alright, there she is, boys. That's a size 11 sandal. Pretty good sized fish. I had to get the pliers out to unhook him. Let's get him back in the water. Pretty good sized bass, if you ask me. Saltwater Bass TV, third throw, third cast. We're out here at the brand new pond. I just caught a good sized bass, pretty much inhaled my top water, third cast. And I had some commotion out here near the lily pads. I'm trying to see if I can get this on tape. Wish I had the belt buckle phone holder with me, but I'm gonna keep y'all updated because that was a nice bass. Probably like a 3-pounder, but still, for the third cast, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna head into the shallower water over here, even though I seen the action the other way. I kind of want to know what's down this way. Stay tuned. It's great to see some top water action. Reinforce my belief in these storm lures and top water in general. I love throwing top water. It's just an exciting bite. Stay tuned. All right, micro bassing. Here's the setup. Here he is next to a size 11 shoe, and he's going back in the water. Y'all wanna check him out a little more? And this is where he lives. Third bass at this spot. Don't mind if I do. Look at that little guy. Now that is a saltwater bass right there. Let's let him go. And let's see how big he is. He's size 11. All right now.